The state of Alabama is divided into 7 congressional districts. The one outlined in red is the 7th. It's the only district in which the majority of the people who live there are black. In 2020, when the United States collected census data, the number of African Americans living in Alabama had increased. Meanwhile, the number of white people living in Alabama decreased. And yet, when Republicans in Alabama updated their congressional maps based on the new census data, they didn't account for the change. Under the new Alabama maps, the state would still only have 1 majority black congressional district out of 7, despite the fact that roughly 1/4 of Alabama residents are black. Now, the new maps were subsequently challenged in court, and a 3-judge panel ruled that the new Alabama congressional maps violated the Voting Rights Act. And to fix it, Alabama would need to redraw the lines to create a second majority black congressional district. The state of Alabama appealed that ruling to the Supreme Court, asking the Supreme Court to put a halt on the lower court's mandate that they add a second majority black district. And today, the Supreme Court did that. In a 5-4 ruling, the Supreme Court reinstated the old Alabama congressional map, the one with just 1 majority black district. They essentially put that lower court ruling on ice until the full case can be heard before the Supreme Court. However, that's not going to happen probably until the fall, which means for now, all elections in Alabama will be held according to the old map. The ruling has the potential to erode voting rights, not just in Alabama, but it could have lasting implications for the entire country.